Hi guys, let's work out second theorem problems. So we've done some problems before. We've solved the first theorem, which says the angle at the center of a circle is twice the angle at the circumference, right? So now we have another one we want to treat today, which is the second theorem, and it says angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. So let's look at this. But just in case you've not seen the first video, do go see it before you work out this one. Let's look at this. It says the angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees, right? So let's draw a circle. Let's draw a circle. Okay. Then a semicircle is half of a circle, right? So let's half it. Then if a line move from here to here, okay, and here, let me get another line. So from here it gets here. Okay, let me get a perfect line. Okay, so this is it. The angle moves from A to B and from C to B. So we have angle A, B, C, and we also have angle C, A, B, and we have angle B, C, A, all that. So now, okay, this is telling us that this angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. This is the 90 degree angle here. So this here is 90 degrees. That means if we're given an angle here to be X and another angle here to be Y, to get X, okay, to get X, let me wipe this off.
X will equal, the angle in the triangle is 180 degree, right? So 180 take away, this is 90, the first angle is 90 plus Y, right? So we will definitely be given the value of Y, or there will be a way to find it. But if the question comes like this, then definitely you will have the value of Y. Okay, so if you're asked to find Y, then it will be 180 take away this angle B, which is 90, the angle in the semicircle, right, is 90 plus X. Okay, so you add up 90 plus the value of X, take it away from 180, and you get your angle that you're trying to find. Let's solve some questions then. So look at this question. In the diagram above, O is the center. O is the center of the circle. Find the relationship between X and Y. So how do we find the relationship between the X and Y here? Remember that the theorem we just saw said angle in a semicircle is 90 degree, right? So that means this angle here is 90 degree, right? So the relationship between X and Y would be that if X plus Y plus 90 is equal to 180, right? Good. That means the total angle in the triangle 180. Then X plus Y would be equal to 180 take away 90, right? So this is how we're proving the relationship now. Okay, let me do that other one here. Then X plus Y would be 180 take away 90 is 90 degree. So the relationship between X and Y is that X plus Y is 90 degree. And that's the answer. So our answer is X plus Y equals 90 degree. Okay, let's solve one more questions on this theorem. So look at these questions. We have a diagram here. We have a semicircle. We have 32 degree A, and then we'll ask to find the value of A. So to find the value of A, we've established that the angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. So this is 90 degree. Therefore, 90 plus 32 plus A equals 180 degree, right? So next, 90 plus 32, which is 122 plus A equals 180 degree. Now, A equals 180 degree. Take away 122. So there, A would be equal 58. These are how you solve the angle in a semicircle. It can be in any part of the circle. So this is it. In the next video, we will go through more of the theorems. So we've done all of it. Then we'll start doing work that has to do with all the theorems. So see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment. Thank you.